Solve this system of equations using the substitution method. With the substitution method of solving a system of equations, you solve for one of the variables in one of the equations and substitute that variable into the second equation. When using this method, start by identifying the expressions with a coefficient of 1. Those make for the simplest substitution. In this equation, x has a coefficient of 1 and y has a coefficient of -1. So let's solve for x. So we get x equals 11 minus 2y. Substitute this expression for x into this equation. So we get 3 times 11 minus 2y minus y equals 5. Distribute the 3, we get 33 minus 6y minus y equals 5. Combine the y terms and we get negative 7y plus 33 equals 5. Subtract 33 from both sides and we get negative 7y equals negative 28. Divide both sides by negative 7 and we get y is equal to 4. With this value of y, substitute it back into this equation and solve for x. So we get x plus 2 times 4 equals 11. X plus 8 equals 11. Subtract 8 from both sides and we get x equals 3. So the solution to this system is y equals 4 and x equals 3.